What's up, peeps? Everyone had a fun stream today. I thought I don't know if anyone caught the Nintendo Direct earlier, but I thought it was a good one. Good time. So yeah, today we have here it is. We have a lacewood. Yeah, sexy piece. Book matching grain as well. Yeah, we're doing a giveaway. Typically, right now I don't have a giveaway schedule set. It's kind of just been Thursdays right now. But we had a Nintendo Direct today, and I said if I hit bingo on my bingo sheet, then I'll do a giveaway. And here we are. Yeah, I got some dice too. Got some cheeky dice. I'll show you. Hello. Thanks for the cam. Appreciate it. Showing off the giveaway for today.
This thing's not.
It doesn't look too user friendly.
So it's short, so it's hard to get like a good angle because it's such like a wide.
Yeah.
But high spot is not bad. I have like a little tray trough. Has like handles. And I just like wrap it around one of the handles, and then I just angle my cart all day.
I'll try to get one of the other mounts because I like the other one a lot better. This one was like $5 or something on sale, so I was like, screw it, I'll grab it.
It worked today.
All right, cool. I appreciate it, Cam.
Yeah,
Thanks for the stream today. Okay, where did I go? Go back to the other one. That's how I see with no glasses. Sorry, I was getting the focus prepped and then Cam walked in. Look at that. I love when the green runs like that. It's so beautiful. I used to make it such a priority. Oh, there we go. I used to make it such a priority to book match my grain back when I was making vaults and anything else. This wood it's called lacewood. We used to offer this in our core woods, but now it is limited to promos and Kickstarters, so it's a really fun piece. And we got some cheeky dice to go along with it. It's a fun little giveaway. I think I'm missing a foam. I have to go grab it. No biggie. No biggie. Supply shortage or just cost limiting? It was a couple of factors. One, it was when we used to offer 16 core woods and it was just too much. So we brought it down to 8 and lacewood was one of the ones that got the cut. But it is pretty tough to source for the most part. Just for our, it's not tough to source if we're just doing like a promo project or a Kickstarter or something like that. But to have as one of our reliable everyday evergreen woods, it's not that simple. So when I win, can you just ship yourself down here with the vault? Yeah, I got you. Bring back poison wood, please. I wish Poison wood was my favorite from the core 16 woods, and I miss it every single day. What non-core wood do you think would be the most likely to become a core? I don't know. It's tough because you obviously. I think having 8 core woods is definitely the move. 16 was a lot.